Hey guys, welcome back. And on today's video, we're going to show you how we turned this old kitchen, which was a second kitchen in our house, into this awesome guest bedroom. So now we've got a 5-bedroom house. Wow. So this part of the video is going to show how we went and demoed the kitchen and prepared it for painting. And then part 2 of the video goes into laying the floor, building these beds that I made, and everything else. There probably will be a part 3 because there is still some finishing touches that need to be done on the bedroom. But let's get to it and I'll show you how we made it happen. Hey guys, so you saw from some of the before footage that we had upper cabinets in this second kitchen of the house. And we've decided that we're going to turn this room into a guest bedroom. So this cabinet needs to go, and we've got to block up the plumbing and hide it in the walls so that it's no longer usable. And then we're going to put some floor down and do some other renovations in this room. So we'll try to film some of that. Yesterday we took the uppers down and moved them into a different location and completely forgot to film it. So on these cabinets, most cabinets that have a seam on a 45-degree angle, underneath there's some bolts that sandwich that joint together. I've got to take that and open that up so that we can divide this cabinet into 2 pieces. This piece will go out and then followed by the piece with the kitchen sink. Then I get these doors out of the way, and then I'll be able to access that. When one saw is too small, I think we need a bigger saw. Emily, I need more batteries for Christmas, okay? I need more batteries. Also, I neglected to mention this is not an advertisement for DeWalt tools. DeWalt, they make awesome tools though, don't they? Ew! Ew, ew, ew. Ew, ew, spider, ew! What? Ew! Riker, it's okay, the spiders aren't that bad. Daddy's just exaggerating. Oh, it's not attached to the wall at all. It's literally just sitting here. Okay. Aha! Aha! There we go. Okay, so next up on the list is removing the side that has the sink and the plumbing. So I pre-cut some holes here so that when this cabinet slides out, it will slide past the plumbing. You gotta disconnect the pipes that lead from the sink to the drain. So I'll probably just disconnect the P-trap, and that will allow the unit to slide forward. There's also the 2 lines for the hot and cold that have thankfully got shut-off valves, so I've shut the water off. And the twisted braided line here, I've got to go and disconnect from the bottom of the sink. So now it's just a matter of hopefully not finding any more spiders. Yeah, so I'm going to go and work on that, and then we'll pull this cabinet out. Oh, look at that. It's nice and easy. Yuck! I don't know why they call it a P-trap. There's no P in there. I'm stuck. Okay, so plumbing's disconnected. Now we get to destroy more things. But there was no more destruction, because I forgot to film. We brought the cabinet into the basement, where I will use it as another place to store my junk, and use it as a workbench. The plumbing didn't even end up going in the wall, we simply pulled it back through the floor into the basement, and it will be disconnected at a later time. After that, we cleaned out the room, and prepared it for painting. We're running out of time now. Hey everybody, so we're working on that kitchen again today. It's been a multi-day process. Today we're going to do some paint. I got my big helper, Hiker. Are you helping paint?
Yeah.
Alright, and Emily's hiding in the corner. So we're going to roll some paint, and then later on we're going to put some floor down. We're getting close to having some more guests, so we need to get the spare bedroom, bed and breakfast ready to go. Sometimes in life you need an escape route. So anyways, we've got one. So yeah, this trap door leads to our basement. I guess years ago, when this house was being constructed, there was no stairs down to the basement at either one period of time or when it was originally constructed. There was a ladder that went down. Anyways, I think it's really cool, and I'm going to keep this trap door when I put some flooring down. I've got some cedar wood downstairs that I've sanded, and I'm going to put it on the floor. Cedar, probably not the best idea. It's softwood, but it's what I've got, and it was very inexpensive. So I'm going to put some floor down, and I'm going to cut out this hole and make sure that the trap door still works. Who knows, maybe in the future a trap door would be coming in handy. I don't know. You never know. Okay guys, that was a lot of work. That's it for part 1, so stay tuned for part 2, and be sure to like and subscribe for a chance to win a $50 Amazon gift card once we reach 250 subscribers on YouTube. Thanks very much for tuning in, and have a great day. See you next time.